Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 235 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to press the start button to open the activity menu. Once you open the activity menu, press the down button to open the normal menu, the actual menu. Now scroll through the menu by using the up or down button. Find the settings icon, and once you find it and select it, press the start button to enter. Here, let's scroll down and find the option called the system, and once you find it, select it and press start button. Now, you should see the language option, select it and press start, and here we have the list of languages. And on this watch, for some reason, there's only one language, only English. But once you find the language, select it, press the start button, and the language should be applied, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.